Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Amiga Tutors and welcome to our fifth video of Python Basics. Today we are going to learn about how to use random number. So let's start. Here is my Python notebook. So let's check whether it is working or not. Alt enter. So yes, it is working. So what is random number? Random number is, suppose you are giving a bunch of number. Suppose you are giving 1 to 20. Using this random method, you can find one random number in between that range, and each and every time that output must or must not be same. Maximum time it is not same. So let's check how it is work. First I am importing package. That package name is random. Then my list, and here I am using some other thing that is called list. What is this? I will tell you. So here what I did, at first I import random package, then I declare a list that range is from 1 to 21, and this will be incremented by 1, and here I am taking one number which I am using this random package, and there is a choice, and that is the one function under this package, and I am using this list and I am printing. So let me check what is coming. So this time it is coming 15. So now what I did, actually this is the start number was 1, end number was 221, so it will go up to 1 to 20, and this will take any number. If I execute this now, then see this number is coming different. So now let me tell you what is this. At first let me tell you what is list. So I am using this help command, help list, enter. So here it is come. List is nothing but a built-in mutable sequence. If no argument is given, the constructor creates a new empty list, and the argument must be an iterable if specified. So this is the main thing about list. It has some other functions also. Let me check. So using list we can do this kind of stuff. We can do append, clear, copy, and lots of other part. And now let me check about random. So using random we can do lots of other things. In this case I use choice, but here lots of other things we can do using this random. So now let's make a game. This game will be guessing game. What? I am at first telling that what is the range of the number. Then what you need to do, you need to guess which number it is. Suppose that number is 5, and you are giving that suppose 3. Then this program or this game will tell you too low, and if you are giving 7, then this game will tell you too high. So and there will be a limit, and once this limit is done, then this will show you your game is over, and that's it. So now let's try how it is coming. So my random number code is prepared. Let me copy paste here and let me run. It is saying you have 5 chances and range is 1 to 20. All the best. Suppose I am giving 9. It is saying too high. Okay, so let me run 7. Too low. So what will be the value? Value must be 8. Yes. So it is saying congratulations, the number was 8. Suppose I am writing this another time. Here I will give wrong answer. Alt enter. I am giving 2. Too low. I am giving another 2. Too low. Another 2. Too low. Another 2. And last time. Yes, sorry, your game is over. So here is our guessing game. Now let me tell you what I did. Here at first I import the random package, then list the range from 1 to 20. Then I took a number randomly by random package choice function from this list. Then I am printing you have 5 chances and range is 1 to 20. All the best. Then I am counting. I am take a variable that is count and I give it initial value is 0, and I am taking another variable that is a and its initial value is 100. Because my range is 1 to 20, so I took some other number which is not similar. Now what I did, I go to while loop. In while loop I am saying while a not equal to num, then up to this loop will run. Suppose I am giving a is equal to int input provide a value. Here this is providing a value. So after providing value, this will check whether a is greater than number. If a is greater than, then this will print too high. If a less than, this will print too low. And if a is equal to number, then this will print congratulations, the number was this, and this will break from the loop. And I am doing another thing, that's as I told, I have 5 chances, so count was from 0. I make it to count 1 by 1 plus 1, so 0 1 2 3 4. When it is find 5, this will print sorry, your game is over, and this will break out from the list. So in this way you can print or you can prepare a game in Python. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video soon. Bye bye.